Don't let that backache get to you. Our modern-day lifestyle, improper diet, lack of physical activity, and poor sitting posture are often to be blamed for a number of health problems, including backaches. Performing even the most basic of activities can be highly discomforting when you are suffering from a terrible back pain. While over-the-counter painkillers can provide immediate relief, continuous use of these pills often result in side effects. Therefore, it's best you adopt natural and safe methods to put an end to your backaches. Oil massage. Massaging your back with herbal oils such as eucalyptus, mustard, or coconut can help alleviate pain and relieve stress. After you have massaged your back with some warm oil, leave it for a few minutes before stepping into a warm shower. Follow this every day for a few weeks until further relief. Turmeric milk. Studies suggest that this wonder spice can help treat and prevent backaches. Curcumin, a compound found in this spice, helps reduce swelling, thereby providing immediate relief from a soaring backache. In a warm glass of milk, mix a quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder and relish this potent drink. You can also add a few drops of honey if needed. Epsom salt. Magnesium sulfate, better known as Epsom salt, helps reduce swelling and improve blood circulation, thereby providing relief from aches and pains. Mix half a cup of this salt in your bathtub filled with hot water and soak in it for 15-20 minutes. Hot or cold compress. A cold compress can help bring down the swelling and relieve you of the killing back pain. Wrap the ice-frozen vegetable pack in a towel and gently rub over the affected area for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can also soak a towel in a bucket filled with hot water and after squeezing out the excess, place it over the affected area and keep repeating the process within a half an hour gap. Change your sleeping position. If you find yourself often waking up with a sore back and neck, your wrong sleeping position is to blame. If you sleep on your back, place a pillow under your knees to avoid straining your lower back. In case you tend to sleep on one side, try flexing your knees and place a pillow between them. Ginger. The anti-inflammatory properties in ginger can help relieve any pain and swelling, thereby providing you immediate relief. Crush a few pieces of ginger and boil tea with 1.5 cups of water. Once it cools, strain and drink. You can add a few drops of honey. Drink this tea 3 times a day for better results.